Did you know the greatest hitter in baseball history threw it all away for gambling? Pete Rose got more hits than anyone who ever played the game. 4,256 hits. He was called Charlie Hustle because he ran to first base even on walks. Fans loved him. He seemed perfect for the Hall of Fame. But Rose had a secret. While managing the Cincinnati Reds, he was betting on baseball games almost every day. Sometimes thousands of dollars per game. Even worse, he bet on his own team. The FBI started watching him. They found bet slips with his fingerprints on them. Bookmakers told investigators everything. In 1989, baseball banned Rose for life. For 15 years, he lied about it. He said he never bet on baseball. Then in 2004, he finally told the truth. He admitted he gambled on games while he was supposed to be leading his team. Today, Rose is still banned from baseball. The hit king became the sport's biggest outcast, all because he couldn't stop betting.